Amazing advice with the usual with wine corks. The Italians never they throw it away, they collect it. After that, we're gonna drop off in a jar. That's the way it is, tamp it down tightly. It will be indispensable barbecue thing. We take regular sunflower oil and fill the plugs. After the fact, like traffic jams, we're completely flooded for a week, we leave ours the corks to infuse. A week from now our supers the barbecue corks are ready, now we're just taking the cork and pull it out. Now to fire up the barbecue, in order to make it won't be a problem, take a lighter, burning our oil the cork, just like this, for literally 5 to 10 seconds, she flares up immediately. Its advantage is it doesn't fade, even if it's raining, burns just perfectly. Be sure to take sign up. I have thousands of great ideas. Put foil on the windows, and the neighbors will do the same. Picked up this tip from Africans thanks to the simple advice they're fighting with its unbearable heat. It's just a simple matter of with a wet sponge to smear our glass. We use foil, make sure the shiny side outward like this sticking. What it's all about is being done right now. Heat air conditioning isn't for everyone. For myself, it's not cheap. And because of its properties. Foil, when we stick it on with the shiny side facing out, reflects 100% of the sun's rays. And the temperature in your house, in the apartment, drops by dozens degrees. It's cooler here. In doing so, you didn't spend on the air conditioners, and all they spent a drop of water and the usual foil. Simple and effective way. Be sure to take it. For myself, repost it and give me some likes. I've got thousands of cool advice. Extraordinary trick that you can surprise your friends, your kids, your loved ones. Here, it would seem, the mug has an elastic band on it. It's like this. How it all happened, if the mug itself, its ear, it's whole. The rubber itself is completely intact. How am I supposed to put it on here? This way. I've been racking my brain for a very long time on this issue. Showed all my friends to their loved ones. They were surprised. No sport is like that. The way he won. And it turned out to be true, that it's simple, and it's the most common illusion. But look, how well it's done. All dressed, all intact, nothing's broken anywhere. It's all very simple to do. We need to remove the rubber band. You take a regular rubber band. We thread it through, like this way in your ear. Then we put this part on top to the mugs. Right here, and this is the part we're gonna wear on the bottom of the mug. That's how she dressed. Just a little correction. And we make a great one optical illusion. Take note, like, subscribe. I have 1,000 cool. Stop with the old tweezers, throwing it in the trash is enough. Wasting money on everything. What you need to do is sharpen the tweezers back, so that it becomes a new one like the one from the store is made. It's all easy to do at home under the most ordinary of conditions. Objects, with a regular file of the nails. We take the tweezers, and we put saw blade across the tweezers, crimping with a file, and one of these we're gonna slowly start our tweezers a little bit sharpening. 15 to 20 swipes in reverse the side will suffice, in order to sharpen the tweezers, and it started working, as if you'd just bought from the store. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, enough. The tweezers are fully sharpened, all the roughness out of it, and it's now safe to check even on the smallest hair. Take it, clamp it. Everything works perfectly fine. The easiest way to do it, how to save money. Take note, like, subscribe. I have thousands of great ideas. Put duct tape on your leg, and you'll get rid of the problem, once and for all. We take the most ordinary duct tape. It's been tried and tested for years, working on the outside this way. From the bones are starting to wrap scotch tape up to the knee, is not in a hurry like this. This is how we wind knee high. That's the method used from our grandmothers. Scotch, so it's easy to tear off. Connecting, and tear it off neatly. He's having a quiet time. And we have the perfect protection against ticks and insects. Now we can safely to go for walks in the woods. Take note, like, subscribe. An easy way to get a pen from any of your clothes. Particularly relevant, when the kids go to school, they often describe and deduce a pen is almost impossible. But there's a cool way, it really works, proven. You'll need to get some chalk, just plain, simple chalk, and we carefully chalked we're gonna start on the handle a little bit to pass. Better than of course, to coat and apply to the handle. Most often, chalk like this spoon into a pen. After that, that's it, what we have left to do. On the applied chalk, we take, and then we just apply regular simple boiling water. That's the way it is. Pour it out and right on top of ours there's no pen left in your eyes, not a trace of it. She walks away quietly. Be sure to get yourself for the record, save it, so you don't lose it. It's just the perfect super way to remove any pen. Never throw away empty toilet paper sleeves. Take some water to the bushing, and that's how we start. Thoroughly wet our roll in the water. We have to soak him inside and out, but not to soak it up. He's got to keep your condition carefully soaked to the point where he's was wet here and thereafter, and then we put it in microwave 30-second timer, and 30 seconds will be quite a bit more time you don. Need to have everything. I got this life hack, saves money, save time. It's very easy to do, but it's very effective. It'll even be enough 25 seconds. No way, don't overdo it. After that we open and get a fresh one, neat roll of toilet paper. Do not use immediately, he's a little hot. Take note, like, subscribe. I have thousands of cool ideas.